Hey guys, this is Robert Lukat again. Check out this old Mercedes-Benz. This is an old base coat metallic. I mean, these paint jobs come out really nice. So what I'm gonna do a spot right here. I'm gonna use a Lukat Fix-It. Now, a lot of times when you see me doing demos with the Lukat Fix-It, we're working on old clear coats that are hazy, faded, and oxidized and stuff. But this is an old base coat right here. So these things right here, if you have an old car, an old vintage classic, and it's oxidized, man, you can use this. Now, I do all my demos by hand because you can do it by hand. But you know what? If you have a polisher, a rotary polisher, this is what you want to do. Use that on this because, man, oh man, look at this. Look how beautiful that's coming out. Now, when you're working on an old base coat, it's okay. You'll see color coming off. It's perfectly fine. You're not taking off the good paint because the good paint's actually hard. You're taking off the toasty, dead paint. So all I'm going to do is continue cleaning. And one thing about this product, when you use it, you don't have to do the entire car the whole day. In one day, I mean. Because what it is, it's a cleaner. I can clean this spot, come back and do a spot a month later. It's gonna look the same because I didn't mask it or glaze it with the wax. Instead, I cleaned it. And you'll see what I mean right now. Look at this. I'm cleaning this baby up. Now, this is all cleaned up. Can you see the reflection at the bottom in there? You get that? Okay. Now, this has got no wax in it. Watch this. This is squeaky clean. Now, you should put a wax on there, okay? But before you put a wax on there, you want to seal it. So I got a sealer that is awesome. It's called Easy Wax. Now, Easy Wax is a carnauba blend with polymers, okay? It's high temp wax. You can put it on direct sunlight. So what I'm gonna do right now is just put this on. Don't confuse this with regular waxes that produce a beautiful glossy shine. This is designed to clean, condition, fill, and seal. So I put it on like a regular wax in circles. Use the cleaner, back and forth strokes. Wax goes on in circles. Let it dry. As soon as it dries up, it's gonna turn into a nice, tough, glossy shell. And now your paint job is sealed. Try coming this way, sweetie, and see if you can get the reflection. Doing it up close. Can you see the bottom? Look at that. Okay. So hey guys, if your paint job is old, you got an old clear coat or an old base coat, old metallic like this one, don't wax it. You can clean it. It's very simple to do. You can do it in sections, get it done over a period of time, and it stays like that for years because you cleaned it rather than masked it. So look us up. Oh, please like and subscribe. Look us up at lukatdetail.com. Okay, man, look at the sparkles on there. Can you see that? That's beautiful. So Lukat Fix-It, guys. You can order it at lukatdetail.com 24/7. All right, guys, y'all have a great one. Later.